It's an absolutely beautiful winter's day here in Brisbane, not a cloud in the sky. Oi.
No.
Going
Hello everyone.
All right, this is our first trip.
Yeah.
Pretty damn excited.
It's a feeling cold.
It's cold, it's winter.
Yep.
Crazy going camping in winter, but anyway, here we go. All right, we got to get this stuff in the car. We're behind schedule just a little bit, but not too bad. Yeah, so let's pack the car, pack the food, and be on our way.
Do that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Huzzah! I still need to work in my day off, hey?
Yeah, still gotta be the chef. Okay.
We made it.
The car's packed. It's very tight. Holy smoke. A few little lines on here just to save anything that drops off the back. It should all be good. It's all hockey strapped down. But we fit it all in. Amazing. Yeah, here we go. We're on our way.
Trying to work out how.
Nice. Line up our campsite, looking awesome. And the car just there behind the tree, looking awesome. Still cannot believe all of this fit in the Porsche. Like, that's crazy. And now we're having a real chef's dinner. Some noodles. Whoa, get in focus. There they are, upside down.
It's ready. So this is all mine. So just one plate, I think. Don't.
All right. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit me.
Where's mine?
Nothing to you.
What? Where's mine?
Nothing for you.
Come on.
I thought you don't like it.
No, I'm gonna have some.
What?
You made
Hey baby, what are you having for dinner?
chef's dinner. My tongue is tingling from the MSG,
Yeah.
but the egg is very nice. Mwah.
Can have a big feed.
We certainly are.
We can finish this one. This is a lot for the two of us.
It is a lot. Yeah.
This is the wrap, baby.
That's good. That's yummy.
Huzzah! Using my Merrill shoes that I just buy worth of $200.
Yep, they're trekking shoes, babe.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. Bit of trekking through the mangroves. But it's nice. Nice little beachy spots it through here. Duckies.
1870.
1872. Nice park up here.
Sing me a song.
So what you got there, baby?
Tim Tam.
Aussie camping. Can't
Yeah.
be without Tim Tams. Yeah, got this wild looking boat over there. I just spotted it. The sail caught my eye. It's a long way over. I think I'll fly the drone over there and have a look. Okay, so we're just packing up. Got to be out of here by 10. Not a bad little campsite for a quick weekend getaway. If you like to fish, you can get out there on the bay, have a bit of a fish. Over at the tackle shop there, you can hire a little boat, go for a wander around in the bay, around the islands. Yeah, not a bad spot.
Now we're going home, baby.
We are, but first we're going to stop at Yatla.
Yeah. Yatala.
Yatla and have a Yatla pie.
Yeah. Lots of people there.
Yeah, because it's a very famous pie
My video
shop.
is. Yo, Babu. What you gonna get?
Some Yatla pies.
We have the Yatala pie.